In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Wix. If you sell clothing, shoes, or any product where sizing matters, adding a size chart can make a big difference for your customers. It helps them choose the right option more confidently and can also reduce confusion before purchase. The good news is that Wix makes this very simple to do right from your product settings. To get started, go to your site editor in Wix. This is the main area where you manage and customize your website. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top menu and click on My Business. This section gives you access to your store and product management tools. After that, click Manage Products. This will open the list of products currently in your Wix store. From here, find the product that you want to add a size chart to and click on it to open its settings. Make sure you choose the exact product you want to update, especially if different items need different sizing information. Once you're inside the product settings, scroll down until you see the Additional Info section. This is the area where you can add extra product details that customers can view alongside the product listing. It's a useful section for information that doesn't fit naturally into the main product description, but is still important for shoppers to see. In the Additional Info section, click Add Another Info. This creates a new information block that you can customize. For the title, enter something clear and simple, such as size chart. Using a straightforward title makes it easy for customers to understand exactly what they're clicking on or reading. Then, in the description area, you can type in your size chart details. For example, you might include measurements, fit guidance, or size conversions, depending on the product you're selling. If you prefer, you can also add an image instead. This is helpful if you already have a designed size chart graphic that is easier to read visually than plain text. Once your size chart content is added, that's it. Your product now includes a dedicated size chart inside the Additional Info area. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review how it looks on the product page so you can make sure the formatting is clear and easy for customers to follow. And that's how to add a size chart in Wix. If you keep your sizing information organized and easy to read, you'll create a better shopping experience for your visitors and help them make more confident buying decisions.